There's Royal, my beauty, my boy. Love him. Maybe some of the chickens ran over to the neighbors. Oh well. Yep, they're over there. Come on! Fucking dummies. Oh well. Look at Royal. Look out. Go. Go. Get out. Boy, oh boy, I tell you. There's some agua for them. I haven't looked at eggs for a day. Oh, there's what, 4 there. 4 there. Look at them in here too. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. There's a few eggs in here. Oh, hey. There's a Royal. I love him. He's cool. All the birds, that's one of the original birds. Anyway, guess I should go. I think a couple of our birds are over there. Oh yeah, they're down there. Ah, they'll come back. Got some cleanup to do today. Gotta set up this dog pen. Fucking winter cleanup here. Yeah. Get some burning going, I think. Got this today, 4 panels. It's 10 feet long. Door. It's good. $200. Yeah. I think we're gonna put it up here. Clean out this area. Here. Got some wire there that I could probably make a fence off of it for a little open run off of yeah. Fucking airborne. Whoa. That's an airborne flag.